It can have so many good analogies, right?
Design coaching after paying 1 lakh. If you really want to become a designer, you have to become a Dukhi Atma in your life.
By looking at these questions, people start thinking, do I need to know physics theorem?
And I have also been in the selection panel of NID. Whenever we asked something, he was not able to explain anything.
Problem is, इतना perfect बना दिया product, कैंची ही टूट गई.
If you start understanding that psychology, then you start understanding the question.
Unfortunately, students still don't know what Castle Studio does. My parents' expectation from me. ये भी कर ले, वो भी कर ले.
So if you can understand what might be the logic behind it, then all such questions will be sorted for you.
If students can do it for next few months, I think their design exam is going to be a cakewalk.
So the topic for the today is observation in daily life objects. If you really want to become a designer, you have to find problems. You have to become a Dukhi Atma in your life. If you cannot see problems in daily life, it becomes difficult. Then you are used to live with problems. So that is what I am going to discuss with you. But before that, I want to introduce Saket here.
First of all, thank you for having me. Quick things about me. I'm a graduate from NID, transportation designer. I have done masters from there. I have worked at Tata as an engineer before getting into design. And now I'm a senior designer at Bajaj. I have worked on so many things, but couple of things which you might be aware about is CBR from Honda and then the latest Bajaj NS400. And I have also been in the selection panel of NID. There was a student who came up with a lot of work, but then whenever we asked something, he was not able to explain anything. And then we learned that whatever he was presenting, it was not his own work. And within a few minutes, we could understand. But then there was another guy who came in and who was like, he, after engineering, took an year-long break because his family was going through some financial situation. And in that 1 year, he helped his father to set up a South Indian idli stall in front of his house. He had designed graphics for it. He has designed the menu for it. In fact, whatever he used to sketch, he used to put it for the sale over there. Such kind of people who are like genuinely interested into, creating something, sketching something, solving problems. And designer, the basic task is to solve problem. And he solved the problem for his family. And that entire thing was more impactful than any other project he talked about.
Exactly.
And I think that is something which is missing in students who are preparing for colleges, because the normal path of going to coaching, creating projects, and then providing that portfolio and preparing for all those typical questions like poster design, this thing, that thing, and all that is going to help you. More than that, I think that raw, pure passion of ability to solve problems and use your creativity. I think that is something which is very, very important. If students can do it for next few months, I think their design exam is going to be a cakewalk.
Let's talk about how to deal with parties. The topic is how to observe daily objects. I'm going to show you some pictures. What I want you to do is identify the problem in that picture. What is the problem here? This is an exercise of seeing problem and associating that problem to something else. This is called abstract thinking. What we just did is with this one exercise, कि हमने abstract thinking को measurable बना लिया. Next image. So see, understanding the question is also one of the trait of a designer. You get things jumbled and you have to understand it, right? The order is wrong. Delhi parking. Naman is saying order of number ranking of college by Google. Pay कर दिया तो सबसे ऊपर. बिल्कुल सही. ChatGPT got frustrated, so he make it tougher for me. Fresh items in fridge versus old items. Very good. So this is a cool exercise you can do every day in your life. The problem is इतना perfect बना दिया product, कैंची ही टूट गई, उसको हम तोड़ ही नहीं पा रहे, उसको निकाल ही नहीं पा रहे. I don't know how many of you have faced it, but I have faced it. Patient dead. When I try to help someone to get the pen drive, old Nokia phone. Yeah, nice. Let's move on to the next one. What is the problem and then the analogy? Yes, too many buttons. Yes, confusion. Correct. My parents' expectation from me. ये भी कर ले, वो भी कर ले.
Choosing colleges is also good.
What flavor of chips to buy? Menu of a restaurant. Sushmita is saying, nice. Too many goals, too many plans. Sahi hai. Let's move on to the next one then. This is a recent problem with the product. User says, can you remind me what we talked about yesterday? Claude says, sure. Yesterday we talked about a topic you were exploring in more detail. Would you like to continue from there?
It is more like a Viva answer, right?
When artificial intelligence loses intelligence. My manager in stand-up call when he is clueless. Government to journalist. ये अच्छा था. Nice. Okay, let's move on to the next question then. Can you see the problem? Invisible stairs. Yes.
Now most people will see the stairs now when we have said invisible
Yes.
stairs. That is exactly the problem.
Stairs to heaven. Komal is saying अच्छा. Me walking towards my career. Road safety in India. Nice. ये भी अच्छा था. If you really want to work on any product, anything that you see, for example, now you can do this for this mouse. I have a mouse in my hand. I can do this, the same exercise. We can do this for mouse or pencil or pen drive or bottle. You can do the same thing. Identify the problem and can you analyze the situation of this in some other. So it becomes fun. Let's go for one more.
It can have so many good analogies, right?
You are getting killed. Head left, body.
Identity crisis.
मेरी बिल्ली मुझे को म्याऊं. Me solving mocks and telling my marks to parents. Design coaching after paying 1 lakh.
Well, I have broken down the complete thing of USEED and SEED into 5 sections. And with each section, we will try to bring up questions. We will try to understand what type of things they ask, why they ask. But instead of thinking it is random something and it requires a lot of knowledge, you have to think they are patterns. This type of question is there. Can you see all these 4 questions? Solving all these 4 questions would require similar tactics. So if you can understand what might be the logic behind it, what kind of things they give, where we get stuck, and what we can do to improve our visualization for such things, then all such questions will be sorted for you. Collide with each other, get separated with each other, putting them in a particular pattern. It is all about visual understanding of objects and everything. You can see this. By looking at these questions, people start thinking, do I need to know physics theorems? Do I need to know these kind of things? No, you don't. These are also visual things. These can also be categorized into one particular section. And once you understand why they are asking it, why they use a specific type of options. When you look at, for example, hand pump question, the options have only 2 positions described in them. They have a particular psychology behind it. If you start understanding that psychology, then you start understanding the questions and it becomes very easy game for you. Now in this question, they are asking these 4 things, right? We can try to understand what would be visible from here, what would be visible from here, and whatever. There can be many other things. If you can just understand this is the eye of the cat and she would be looking like this. So she would not be able to see any tree from the top. That's it. The question is solved. In this option, there is nothing at the top. So that would be the correct option. That is how we are going to decode all such questions, putting them in one particular category and things like that. For example, even for this question, if you open it up like a paper, it would become a rectangular paper or a A4 sheet, right? We can fold a A4 sheet like this. If I fold it like this, if I fold it like this, it would become a cylinder like this. So these kind of visuals, when you start seeing, then you would understand that the question paper is actually not mathematical, right? It is actually something they want us to have visualization of different things. What would happen when folded? What would happen when rotated? So we will decode all part A in this way and we will decode everything like this. So it will make you have fun. It will also make you understand that what you were thinking, you might have been thinking about the exam. It is not that kind of an exam and it is very easy. You do it with fun and with visual presentations on every kind of question. So that is how we are going to solve this.
Okay, so design task for today is, this is called the design internalization exercise. You have to identify 3 daily objects or situation from Indian context and find one real problem and one solution for it. For example, my laptop, whenever I am typing, तो उसका जो touch pad है वो बीच में होता है, so my thumb वहां पर touch हो जाता है and इधर-उधर cursor चला जाता है and it starts typing anywhere. For example, this is the problem. And I want to define and make a touchpad at a different position in the laptop. The rule is you cannot use any text in your submission. You have to use an A4 sheet और उसको 2 part में divide कर देना है. First half you have to draw the problem, second half you have to draw the solution. So this is called design internalization exercise. Only visually, it is not about good drawing also. It is only about drawing clearly and stating your problem and solution. If you can show problem from your daily life, 3 problems, 3 objects, 3 situation, 3 space, anything, 3 apps, whatever you like, only the visual part, okay? Problem and solution. So you will find everything here also, some books, links and everything, all the topics related to exam. Thank you everyone for joining. Okay, see you next week.